Hey guys, a lot of rain today in South Florida.
Check out the UFO stuff. I'll shout out a couple channels. Secure Team 10 is probably the best
What do you say?
UFO channel.
Can you say that again?
Secure Team 10.
Team 10. Isn't that Jake Paul's Instagram folder?
No.
Yes,
I mean, no,
yes it
yeah,
is. Team 10? Wasn't that the...
I've never heard of Secure Team 10, bro. Has been around for. It was the kid's name.
Could you guys hear the rain?
Was Secure Team.
Let me know if you hear the rain. You probably hear Crypto. I'm watching a Crypto Faces interview on Zero Waiting. Pretty good conversation.
Have you never seen no UFO? You've never seen nothing in the sky yourself, bro?
I didn't know he was into aliens. It's pretty cool. I'm into aliens.
Black holes and Hawking radiation. There's something called the Fermi paradox, which is
Furby paradox?
the Fermi paradox. It's basically,
Yeah.
we look out in the universe, we don't see signs of civilization that are obvious. Okay, this is an alien civilization. We haven't seen. The Fermi paradox tries to answer, okay, what are the theories as to why we haven't seen aliens out there? Like the rare world theory that like conditions on Earth are so specific, gravity has to be just right, the temperature, the moons, such, like all that, all these very specific details from the Earth in particular, in having biogenesis and having life form. That is one example of the Fermi paradox. But there's like many theories as to why people believe in answers and aliens.
I know what you're talking about. I've never put a name to it, but I do know what you're talking about. I think if you saw something, you probably then you probably have your interest a little more peaked.
Well, it was great having you. And we'll do this again. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for. It's like 4 a.m. where you are, bro. We've been going for 3 hours, so we're kind of at the anti-climax. You know what? we're at the post. What do they call it? Post nut clarity stage. You know what I'm saying? We're just ready.
The novelty of the pineapple shirts.
Pineapple shirt. So.
Alright guys, we are going to get started in a second here. Getting some monsoon-like rains right now. Had a lot of rains yesterday. The rains, they normally start around this time of year, some more rains. But yeah, this last minute and 29 seconds is going by relatively slow here. Thank you guys so much for joining. Please smash the like button. I wonder if that really does as much as everyone thinks it does in terms of viewers or whatever. Kind of reversed course last night and started shorting, which turned out to be a very good idea. Right now, well, we'll talk about it when we get started, but it doesn't look that great overall. That's what I will say. Thank you so much, Jay. All right, what is going on today, guys? Welcome to the stream. Evan Aldo here. Yeah. So latest, what I've been doing. I'll show you a little bit of the exclusive Discord right now. So right now so basically added to the Etholong. The hourly was looking really good. Kept the stop loss at the new entry point. That got stopped out in profit. Kind of a risk-free trade right there. Reverse course on Bitcoin. Closed out my previous Bitcoin long for a small profit because things looked really bad last night. Took a short entry. We hit the first take profit, and we're waiting for the second take profit right now. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at. If you're interested in this Discord, link in description below. But keep in mind, if you sign up now, you're going to get charged again on the 1st. Wait till the 1st, I would recommend. 1st of May. They're ruthless. They're ruthless. Let's get into the TA. So, right here on Bitcoin, we still have kind of the same deal with the weekly. Your VWAP's curving up a little bit, but I believe it will come farther. I believe price will inevitably come a bit farther down here, similar to 2018. We could look at our 3-day right here, and we could, you see our VWAP curving up right there, which is kind of a good sign. Your 2-day has been kind of the bullish case for a while here, especially coming up. I don't think it's going to happen. I think you're just going to stay in the red for like a longer period of time here. Maybe, if we bottom out in June, July or something, then you'll finally come up in September. It could be something like that, which is what I think will happen. But right now, with it about to print a green dot, there is a bit of a bullish case there. Your daily, I would make the argument, I would think that something like this would happen, that you're going to come down here and continue, further down and bottom out in a few months. That's my view on the daily. Now would be the start. Your dailies in the red, your weeklies in the red, your 2 days in the red. Now is a good, long-term DCAing opportunity, I would say, the start of it at least. And your 16-hour, not too good. You got your red dot here. We are, kind of at a place where we're going towards a high volume node. So I think, based on the lower time frames, you'll probably come down a bit more with all these red dots popping up. We have a yellow X on Ethereum we'll talk about, I believe, in the 16-hour. Your 4 hours, back in the red. So it does seem like you'll come down more. And then finally, the next time this goes into the green, it'll probably work out and you'll get a nice trade out of that. But yeah, your next spiral line is at 36, there or whatever. A little bit of a freebie. I'm already short. I'm looking to add at some point, but that wouldn't be too bad. This wouldn't be too bad either. Something like this for a short position. You're betting it doesn't go above there. You'd probably have a good shot of winning that trade. Your 2 hours choppy. Can't really derive much out of this. Your hourly's coming down. I would probably be looking, just a little bit of a freebie here, kind of looking to add to my short on the hourly money flow crossover. That combined with red dots on the 12-hour, that's very bearish. Also, even if you wanted to give it a shot, kind of on this blood diamond on the 15 or whatever, and some of these bring it down quite a bit. So yeah, something like that. Just like the stop loss there, first take profit there. That's a good place to look. Let's look at Ethereum. So same general deal. Ethereum, it becomes kind of a massive, long-term buying opportunity, I would think, as soon as you come into the red here on your weekly. You're kind of, and just look at that, 10x in a matter of 3 years, basically. Really, if you knew to take profits, I don't know, up here or whatever, that's a 16x in a matter of 3 years, a little less than 3 years. So there you go. A substantial amount of money. You get a 10x here. If you had 100 grand in there, you become a millionaire in a few years. Obviously, you may not be now because it came down, or is it still? Yeah, it would still be 10x. So, especially even if you're earning interest on some of it, you could do the math here. This is life-changing wealth. With the higher market cap, are you going to get that type of return in the next 3 years? No, probably not. You'd be lucky if you could get. You'd probably be lucky if you get half that, maybe 6, 7x, but that's still pretty good. You got to get more speculative. You got to be more risky. You got to look at what altcoins, for a long-term thing. Maybe it's Avalanche, maybe it's Polkadot, maybe it's Cardano. One of those that had the market cap that Ethereum had. I don't know what it would have been, a tenth of its market cap now, maybe 10 billion. I don't know off the top of my head, but yeah. Your 6-day is also ooh, that is, I did not realize this was going on here. Ooh, oh boy. I did not notice our 6-day. Ooh, oh, Oh boy. Oh boy.